How to add shares to NABtrade. Follow these instructions. Log into your NABtrade account using your client ID and password from the official NABtrade website securely. Click on the Admin tab at the top, then choose the Permissions option from the drop-down navigation menu. Select Issuer Sponsored Conversion or Broker Sponsored Transfer based on how your shares are currently held. Click Apply beside your selected option to begin the process for transferring shares into your NABtrade account. Fill out the form with your SRN, issuer, or HIN and broker details. If broker transfer, then confirm your request. Download and sign the form, attach required documents, and email everything to forms@nabtrade.com.au promptly. Wait for shares to reflect in your NABtrade holdings. NABtrade will notify you once the share transfer is complete.
Thanks for watching.